I'm really encouraged by the growth of the students that come through our program. I teach sculpture, I teach digital media, and I teach photography as well as art appreciation. I see students who start their freshman year, and then by the time they reach the end of their sophomore year, they show growth, they show an initiative, they have skills, and it's really wonderful to see that start and finish within our program.
A lot of classes made me realize a lot of things. Depending on each class is a different thing. For example, in my digital media class, I learned how to edit videos, and it opened up my chances and my actual hopes and dreams about studying animation. I actually learned also how to talk about my work. Before that, I was a very shy person, and I am now more outspoken and more open to the possibility of critiques and selling my pieces. The faculty's kindness and positive attitude towards constructive criticism actually has impulsed me to not be afraid about receiving critiques. It helps me gain more confidence, and you feel accomplished. And the teachers actually make you feel that accomplishment.
So after a student graduates from EPCC, they have options of where they can work, and it's a long list. But some of the examples are art director, they can be an artist, have their own art practice. They could be an animator, a fine artist, working in their own studio. There's just an endless line of jobs that EPCC students can apply for and work towards after graduation.